Hello and welcome to the Transport for New South Wales Vlogs channel. Just here at Waterfall in your Quest 4. And welcome to the Transport for New South Wales Vlogs channel. Just here at Waterfall in your Quest 4. Deborah Lim, Cap Tiger, Jude Gaming 1.8 and Siemens Train. Here on platform number 2 we have T21 and another T set. Unsure of the set so at the moment. We have H40 on platform number 1, Port Kembla service. And what I'll do, I'll just quickly walk up to the other end of the platform to the rear half of the Tangara. So yeah, we have some sets in the stabling yards too, and also some 82 classes just up ahead. We should also have another central service passing soon, returning from the south coast. So yeah. And Phil waving. Hello! We've got H47 down there and T50. The Tangara, being front 4 cars now, is T16, rear 4 T21. So yeah. We've got an Oscar passing Kiama service, front half H35.
All platforms here are occupied. H35
The rear half H20. Got H33 passing, central service, not stopping obviously. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap the vlog up. Please subscribe to the channel, like and favourite the video. I will see you next time.